at kumuha ng sample, lumalabas na 7 out of 10. That was 4 months ago lang. Defective na agad yung mga rock netting projects.
Okay.
So itong mga bagay na to, I already conveyed it to national government. Even to DPWH secretary, lahat na sa kanila. So ibig sabihin, sila na motu proprio, they should already initiate yung investigation, di ba?
Oo. Because
Kailangan
there
pa ba
were
niya
criticisms.
Yeah.
Oo, pasensya ka na. There were criticisms, Mayor, that you were withholding certain names with a rock netting investigation. And even former Senator Antonio Trillanes criticized you on this, that you chose not to mention certain names like Benguet Representative Eric Goyap, Davao City Representative Paulo Duterte. Supposedly there were links to Senator Bongo. So how do you respond to that? That you're being tied to a more pro-Duterte leaning, right? That you actually did not approach this investigation with objectivity the way you do with other corruption allegations. Kumbaga pagdating sa rock netting, yung mga Duterte allies, ang criticism is you spared them.
Alam mo kasi Karen, highly politicized naman yung statement kasi ni Antonio Trillanes eh. Highly politicized. Gusto niya kasi na gamitin ako para panatay yung kabila. Ano? Ang sa akin lang is based on pieces of evidence. I never hesitated to mention the name of Congressman Eric Yap, to include his brother, another congressman also. I never. Binanggit ko yan na mismo yung ating kinasuhan dyan, yung respondent mismo, yung contractor mismo. Binanggit ko yan na siya mismo ang nagsabi na ang supplier niya was the group of Congressman Eric Yap. Binanggit ko yan. Now, paano nasama rito si Congressman Paulo Duterte? Kasi nga siya yung lumakad doon sa appointment ni Congressman Eric Yap as a caretaker congressman of Benguet, isang party list member. Instead of looking for a congressman dito sa Cordillera sana to be the caretaker who knows our culture, our tradition, bakit isang party list na kinuha na hindi man lang IT? Diba? Yun ang question din doon. So, gusto niyang banggitin ko, ano naman ang connection ko doon? Ako naman investigator. Alam ko naman kung paano ko i-connect yung isang tao on the basis of information, di ba? Material evidence. Wala naman ako may connect tungkol sa kanya except yung siya lang ang yung relationship niya with Congressman Eric Yap. So,
Okay.
ako tingin ko doon gusto lang niya akong kumbaga fishing expedition na